Good afternoon. My name is Carlissa Lapp, and the four Excel skills that I am going to be covering today are formatting cells, filling in similar values, freezing panes, and adding, copying, renaming, and repositioning worksheets. So the first thing I'm going to do is formatting cells. I'm just going to type in a couple numbers here, and then I just think I'm going to make them currency. So I'm just going to highlight them, right-click, and hit Format Cells. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit currency. And if I hit OK, you can see that they are now put into currency standard. So we can also do fill in similar values. So let's say I just want to keep these numbers going in numerical order. If you highlight them and then go to the bottom right hand corner, you can drag this down and it will go in numerical order. You can also do the same with months. So if I go ahead and just type in January, February, I'm going to highlight these two, go to my bottom right hand corner, drag it over, and there you can see all the months have popped up and I don't have to manually type them. So now I'm going to do freezing panes. I'm going to go ahead and highlight this. I'm going to click View, and I'm going to go to Freeze Top Row. So now as I scroll down through my Excel sheet, I can still see row 1. Now I can also go ahead and unfreeze the panes, and let's say I want to do some more rows and keep them up as I'm scrolling down. I can highlight them, I can hit freeze panes, and I can go ahead and scroll through, and you can see that that data is still visible at all times. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to add, copy, and rename new sheets. So if I want to go ahead and rename a sheet, I can just right click on it, hit rename, and I'm going to call this Data 1. Now for some reason I would want to take what I have in Data 1 and copy it into another workbook. I can just right click, I can hit Move or Copy, and I'm going to hit Create a Copy and hit OK. So now you can see that I have two sheets down here, both containing the same data. So I'm just going to rename this one Data 2. Now because I want them to be in order and I want to have Data 1 first, I'm just going to go ahead and click on this, drag it over, and now Data 1 is first, Data 2 is second. I can also go ahead and add some color. I can right click, hit Tab Color, and I can pick a color. And I'm going to hit blue for this one. I'm going to right click this one, and I'm going to go ahead and do orange. Thank you for watching.